Hi loves, Merry Christmas. Today is Christmas Eve. So right now we're gonna go ahead and open the kids' gifts. So let's go. You got a book, Mama? Look at you getting all this restaurant stuff. And stuff.
I want to open.
You want to open?
Can you open it?
Sure, corazón. What is that, Bolillo? Pillow?
I guess.
I guess she knows you love bread, babe.
I know, right?
And you got a fun pillow too?
Yeah, so now I like to get up in the middle of the night
and snack up bread. So today I'm going to clean downstairs, which is the aftermath after Christmas, unwrapping and all that mess. So today is going to be clean with me my living, dining, and kitchen area, which is picking up all the stuff and just cleaning. So basically, we're going to be cleaning today. So come on, let's get started. Alright guys, so this is the aftermath. We did some pickup stuff. I had a lot of stuff in that couch area there. I took some stuff upstairs already, and the girls have been playing with their new kitchen. Ain't it cute, even though it looks so messy right now? But it's like the cutest little kitchen. It has a cute little refrigerator with the working ice, water stuff. And this is their freezer, apparently. And there's stove and the oven and a cute little sink, and it's just so adorable. I wish I had this when I was little. And then the little pantry down here, and then it comes with a dishwasher. Laundry down here, which she has clothes in there, I guess. She's doing some laundry. And the microwave and a cute little window seeing outside while you're doing laundry and stuff. So here, and I have mess over here. And my kitchen, I can't even start with my kitchen right now. Even though I didn't cook, it seemed like I did. So this is all the crazy mess that we're gonna deal with today. So basically I'm gonna be picking up and vacuuming, and same thing here, and then the kitchen as well. Alright, so I'm gonna start with the living room area, picking up stuff. We're gonna figure out where to put this kitchen actually, because the room is a little smaller. So I'm thinking I'm gonna put their desk downstairs. I'm not sure yet. Hopefully actually the kitchen actually fits in there with the desk, so we'll see about that. We spend most of the time in the living room area, so that's the first thing I'm gonna clean up, and that way it's free and cleaned. Excuse this horrible light, it just keeps moving. I think as I move, the light shifts. And then yesterday I wasn't feeling well. I had to eat a lot of greasy stuff, so that pretty much will tell you why I wasn't feeling well. Also, it was a lazy day as well. We didn't feel like doing anything. Later on in the day, we were just karaokeing with my daughter's new little microphone and playing in the kitchen and stuff. So, you know, just have the day to ourselves and just forget about all the mess, I guess. But not today. So we're gonna get started on this living room area. Forgot I have bolillos. I got some for, you know, our Christmas party, and I completely forgot about them, and they went hard. So I made some bread pudding, and then I made like a little sauce to go with it so they won't be, you know, too dry or whatever. And it tastes so delicious, you guys, so yummy. And I didn't have any raisins, so I put some dates that I had in my pantry, and they taste so delicious, and it's so freaking good. But yeah, it was my first time actually making bread pudding, and it's actually not that bad for a first time. And instead of sugar, I put cajeta, and I put leche lechera, and it's so yummy, you guys, so delicious. All right, back to cleaning.
Dance
So right here I spray vinegar, just plain white vinegar, and I washed it again. I usually like to disinfect my cutting boards with vinegar. Once again, my living room area is nice and sparkling clean. I gotta get that upstairs. This is the dining area here. So nice and clean, everything put away. I love it. And then the kitchen here is looking better. Except those dishes, these are all clean and I just need to put them away. Oh my god, you guys, it's looking so much better. I love it. Satisfied. Alright my love, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and like it. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed it. And don't forget, what makes you different makes you beautiful. I love you, and thanks so much for watching again, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, loves.